When it comes to kitchen cookware, few tools are as versatile and essential as a quality frying pan. This Imarku 12-inch cast iron skillet is not just a frying pan, it's a transformative cooking experience. Combining the durability of cast iron with the convenience of nonstick technology, this innovative skillet is a must-have for home cooks and culinary enthusiasts alike. Below, we'll explore why this skillet deserves a place in your kitchen and how it can elevate your cooking game. Why choose the Imarku skillet? Revolutionary honeycomb nonstick technology. Lightweight yet durable design. Compatible with all stovetops, including induction and ovens. Stay cool ergonomic handle for safety. Effortless cleanup and scratch-proof surface. Don't miss out on the chance to elevate your cooking game. Revolutionary non-stick cast iron design. The Imarku skillet merges the best of two worlds. The robust durability of cast iron and the effortless cooking performance of non-stick pans. Unlike traditional cast iron cookware, which requires constant seasoning and maintenance, this skillet features a long-lasting non-stick surface. Thanks to its thin-walled and thick-bottomed design, it is also significantly lighter than most cast iron pans, making it more user-friendly without sacrificing performance. With this skillet, you can achieve perfectly cooked meals without worrying about food sticking or the cleanup process becoming a hassle. Cutting-edge honeycomb nonstick technology. What truly sets this skillet apart is its honeycomb nonstick technology. This unique feature uses an advanced etching process to create a concave convex texture on the pan's surface. The result? Superior non-stick performance that locks in oil droplets within the honeycomb pattern, ensuring even cooking with minimal oil usage. By reducing the amount of oil needed, the skillet not only promotes healthier cooking, but also helps reduce fat and calorie intake without compromising flavor or texture. Ergonomic and stay cool handle. Safety and comfort are top priorities in cookware design, and Imarku delivers on both fronts. The skillet features a stainless steel handle with double rivets, ensuring a secure and stable grip. The handle remains cool to the touch, even during high-temperature cooking, so you can cook with confidence. For added convenience, the skillet includes a hanging hole design, making it easy to store and save kitchen space. Unmatched versatility and compatibility. The Imarku cast iron skillet is incredibly versatile, accommodating a wide range of cooking techniques. Whether you're deep frying, stir frying, grilling, or boiling, this pan handles it all. It is compatible with all cooktops, including gas, ceramic halogen stoves, and electric stovetops, and it's even oven-safe for added convenience. Easy maintenance and cleanup. Traditional cast iron pans are notorious for being difficult to clean, but Imarku's upgraded skillet eliminates this issue. The non-stick surface is scratch-proof, rust-proof, and easy to clean. After cooking, a quick rinse under warm water is often all it takes to get the pan spotless. While it is dishwasher safe, hand washing is recommended to prolong its life. A unique gift for any occasion. The Imarku 12-inch cast iron skillet comes in an exquisite package, making it an excellent gift option for any occasion. Whether it's a Christmas gift for the home chef in your life or a housewarming present, this skillet is as thoughtful as it is practical. Why you should buy the Imarku cast iron skillet. If you're tired of juggling multiple pans for different cooking tasks or struggling with sticky messes, the Imarku skillet offers a one-solution-fits-all approach. It combines premium materials, innovative technology, and practical design to deliver a cooking experience like no other. Plus, the brand offers a 1-year free exchange guarantee, giving you peace of mind with your purchase. Final thoughts. This Imarku 12-inch cast iron skillet is a true standout in the crowded cookware market. Its unique blend of durability, innovation, and versatility makes it a valuable addition to any kitchen. Whether you're a seasoned chef or a beginner cook, this skillet is designed to simplify your cooking experience and deliver professional-grade results every time. If you enjoyed this review, like the video and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews.